Hello, it's Type Twice here. In today's video I'll be showing you how to change the page size in InDesign. So without further ado, let's get right into it. As you can see, I've created a page right here in InDesign. And let's say we actually want to change the size of this page. We can do that in a really simple way. There's actually two different methods you can use to change the size of your page in InDesign. So to change the page size, you can go up in File, go down to Document Setup right here. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Alt-P. And if you press on this, you can see this Document Setup will appear right here. From here you want to go down to the width and the height. And as you can see, our document is right now set to 210 and 297. And from here, we can actually just change it to whatever we would like. So let's say we want to change this to 100 and set this to, let's say, 300. Make sure that you have preview on so you can see what changes you are making. And all you have to do after this, when you have changed the width and the height, you can just press OK. And we have now changed the size of the page. But let's actually say we have a lot of different pages. So if we go over to our panels right here, this pages panel right here, let's say we have a lot of different pages down here. Let's just set this to facing pages, so we have single pages instead. So let's say we want to get different page sizes for each of these pages. We can also change the individual page. So instead of doing what I just showed you, where you change the page size of the entire document, we can select specific pages. So to do that, just press on the page you would like to change. So let's select the second one as an example right here. All you have to do is just double click on it to select it. Then you want to go down to this right here, edit page size. And if you cannot see the pages panel in your workspace, you can go up to Windows. And if you go down to pages right here, you can also press F12 and this menu will pop up. So yeah, just select the page you would like to change. Then go down right here, choose edit page size. From here you have all of these options you can choose from. But let's just select custom, which is this one down in the bottom. And this custom page size menu will pop up. And in here you can actually do the same thing, where we have the width and the height. And we can set to this again, 100 and 300. And if we just press OK, we can now see that we have changed the page size right here, but all of the other pages isn't changed, as you can see right here. So yeah, from here you can just start to customize your page sizes just as you would like. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. That was all for now. See you in the next one.